Hello students, warm greetings to all. In this video, we will solve a prelim paper of ICSE Computer Applications 2022 Semester 2. This is especially created for you by me. If you would like to solve the paper yourself, you can download PDF form of question paper from the link given and you can check the answers later from this video. But please note, this video has two different parts. First part, which is having only section A questions solved. Part B will be solved in the next video, but the question paper will be posted after the publication of part B video only. So please wait if you want to solve the paper yourself. Those who want to view the questions now and solve, you can please go ahead. I believe this paper may be the best one for you to practice. If you have any doubt in the topic, you can comment so that I can reply to it. Your like encourages me to continue this work, and also keep sharing so that others also get benefited. Let us start. Section A, you need to answer all the questions. Question 1. Choose the correct answers to the questions from given options. Note, you are not supposed to copy the questions. You need to write only the correct answer. Statements. Class encapsulates data members. Class encapsulates member methods. Only A is true, only B is true, both are true, both are false. Answer is C. Syntax to create single dimensional array is data type, array name, array symbols equal to new data type of size. Data type, array name, array symbol equal to new array name and size. Array name, data type, array symbol equal to new data type and size. Array name, array symbol, data type equal to new array name of size. The answer is A. Statements. Wrapper class belongs to lang package. To use wrapper class, we must import lang package. A and B both are true. A is true, B is false. A is false, B is true. A and B both are false. The answer is B. What will be stored in Z after executing following Java snippet? String X is equal to bat. String Y is equal to batting. Z is equal to X dot compare to Y. A true, B false, C 4, D minus 4. When it compares, if both the strings are starting similar way and completely one string is a substring of other one, then it will check the length and then returns. That means the length of first one minus the length of second one. So here length of X is 3 minus length of Y is 7. It is 3 minus 7 going to be minus 4. Answer is D. If string X is equal to examination, E and N capital, what would be the output of the following code? S dot substring of 0, 1 dot to uppercase of dot concat of s dot substring of 1 dot to lowercase of E and X capital and examination, E capital and X in small, examination only E capital, capital E small x. Understand S dot substring of 0 comma 1. The second argument is not included. So 0, that is only E is going to be taken. That is converted to uppercase. It's already uppercase, so it remains as uppercase. Dot concat. Concat means it joins. S dot substring of 1. So it starts from 1. So that is X. And then remaining everything will be there. Dot to lowercase of. So everything is converted into lowercase. Examination will be in lowercase. So that is C there. That is the answer. Automatic conversion of an object into primitive data type is referred as auto boxing, auto unboxing, implicit conversion, explicit conversion. Object into primitive data type is auto unboxing, that is B. Primitive and user defined data types can hold only single value. Size of primitive and user defined data types are fixed. Both are false, both are true, only A is true, only B is true. Primitive data type can have only single value, but user defined data type can have many values stored. So A is false. Size of primitive and user defined data types are fixed. Even when the size comes, primitive data type is fixed and user defined data types, it changes according to primitive data type. It is used to define the user defined data type. So B also false. Both are false. That is A. Given string S is equal to 23.45. What would be the output of the following Java snippet when it is executed? System.out.println of double dot value of S plus 100. 23.45100, 123.45, 23.145. Error in the code. Here double dot value of the string converts this string into double data type. So it becomes a value now. Then you are adding 100 with it. It is going to be 123.45. That is B. Which of the following method does not return Boolean data type as output? Equals of string str, ends with of string str, compare to of string str, is white space of character ch. Equals, it checks equality of both the strings and returns true or false. That is Boolean data type. Ends with also returns the Boolean data type, whether it ends with that particular string or not. Compare to, it returns integer. It compares in different ways. Is white space, checks whether it is white space or not and returns Boolean data type. So C is the answer. Consider the following Java program and choose the right statement from the following. Class is created, static int x, int y, public void area of int a comma int b, x is equal to a, y is equal to b, system.out.println of x into y. So program get closed. X is instance variable which is visible throughout the class except static method. Static int x is a class variable which is visible anywhere inside the class. So this is false. Y is local variable which is visible throughout the class. Y is not local variable as it is outside the method. A and B are class variables and are visible only inside the method. Here only inside the method is right, but A and B are not class variables. These are local variables. So again C is wrong. X is a class variable, is visible throughout the class. Yes, X is the class variable which is visible throughout the class. So D is right. Let us continue in the next session. Thank you.